Do you guys want to hear what I have the pleasure of sleeping next to every night? It really is a pleasure. Ready? Look. Oh no, he caught me. He's up. He's the cutest boy ever. He's the sleepiest boy ever, but the cutest boy ever. Cute boy. Cute sleepy boy. Forever sleepy boy. I think he might have narcolepsy. He sleeps a lot. Or maybe he's just bored a lot. Life and times of a Frenchie mom. And this is my little Pomeranian. Her name is Maybe. She's 11. She's the oldest. She's an old lady. She's a sweet little old lady doe. She's all poofy. Thanks, Maybe. You're the sweetest. Here, let's show them what you look like. Oh, she's fluffy and fancy. And she loves her mom. Thanks, May. Alright, so that's my Pomeranian, Maybe. Oh, so I went out and I got Boogie a chain. Because every Frenchie needs a chain like a rapper. So we are about to ice Boogie out. Oh, look at that. Look at that sick chain, Buggy. Want your chain like a rapper? You ready? You ready to get icy? Let's get the boy icy. Look at you, buddy. Look at you. Are you an icy boy? Stand up. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You got a chain? You got a chain? Don't ever let anyone snatch your chain in the streets, buddy. Oh, you look boss. You look fly. Look at that drip. Look at that drip. What do you think? What do you think? I think you look fly, boo-boo. I think you look fly, bugaboo. You're iced out. We gotta go get Goosifer his chain now and ice him out. You could be icy boys together. Oh, you look so cute. Oh, you're so icy. Stunt on all the hoes now. Stunt on them hoes, Boogie. Stunt on them hoes. Let's go stunt on all them hoes, Boogie. We out. We going to stunt.